It came in box like this, so it's very small. So it had this hat right here, so, and also we already attached these two. There are these two, so we completed. So the instruction is really good. So we got this truck because of these two parts, but these two parts are short, so it's not the long one. The long one is going to be only one, which is this one on the front. On the sides it's going to be by two pieces, and they're going to hold it by one leg. Same going to be on the other side. So the legs are like plastic, super cheap, but let's see. So yes, we are going to attach those two, and this is the front one. So we are on this step, so we're attaching these two together. We're going, it shows here, but it's by two pieces, but actually it's by one long piece. This is it. So here is showing some other legs, but I didn't see them in the box. Which one should be attached to here? But here's probably H and H. Yes, here it is. H and H. And one more on the left side. So let's see how it should. Looks very good. Let's test it.